guys, today we will be playing Key Season 23. Okay. We must collect keys and find the correct door to exit. And they are monsters, so they can catch us. Oh no, you got to run. He's catching me. Someone is dying. I got to help. Gosh. No, I'm gonna die. No, I'm not gonna die. We only have 3 lives. And then now we're going to go open some doors. Okay, let's open the door. Uh-oh. I got to run. Let's go and skate, guys. Bye-bye. I escaped. Back to the lobby. Come on, let's go inside. Sometimes jumping from higher places is a good way to avoid monsters. What's this place? Oh my, not this. He is very, very not good at all. He have a lot of powers. Let's go find some keys. It's so foggy. I see a key. Let's go open a door. Let's go find a door. I see a door. I'm gonna press. Oh, what? From the mystery power? What does it even mean? Oh no, not that. She's very, very can run faster. Ma, oh no. She's dying. Uh-oh. They're dying. I gotta carry. You can actually carry and rescue them. Okay, that's good. And someone's about to die. Let me rescue. Uh-oh, someone needs help. And Mickey Mouse is coming with the... I'm gonna die. He saw me. Run. I got to run. I got to run. I got to run away. Run away. Run away! No! I was about to. I was about to. Help me! Help me! Yay! He's saving me. Okay, come on. Save me. I cannot die again. I only got 2 life. My God, she is very fast, so that's why I really don't like her. What is that? Help me! Oh no, who's dying again? So many people dying. I gotta escape right now. Help me! Beach party. Yeah, we can hide the cat for short. Okay. Oh my God. Don't tell me there's gonna be a lot of clowns because I'm not gonna be with a clown. Is there any keys? Someone is gonna die so fast. Let me out. Uh-oh. Run away. No! No! Help me! Help me! Everybody. Okay, bye-bye.